Oh my God! Look what you did! It's all because of you! You destroyed the whole entire kitchen! Look at your place! This is a full of crap, and you broke the stove, and you break all the plates, and you destroy the whole entire kitchen, and it's a full of mess, man. You know, one day, your house is gonna be destroyed. You know what? For that reason, I need you to get out of my house. Listen, I'll be going in a minute until I'm gonna help clean up this mess. So what? I'm gonna do it myself, so you better just get out of my life and go back to your own place. Because this is my house, not yours. Yeah, well, I'm your son, so I'm gonna help. Pop, can I just help? No, just stay back. Let me do my own duty. Look, I'm sorry, alright? Because I'm trying to find the pizza recipe, but I don't know where to put it. But I don't know where it is, I don't know where I put it, because it's got to be around here somewhere. I think it's buried somewhere inside the cabinet, or I don't know. Well, in that case, can I help you look for it? Fine. So, why did you do that for me, son? All right. Look, see, I can't find it, because it's not in the cabinet. I don't know where you put it, because now you got nothing to make a pizza recipe, so that means the pizza recipe is not here, so you're not going to make any of the pizza. That darn son of a gun! I need to find the goddamn recipe! That way, I want to make a pizza! Yeah, well, this is your own fault. I don't know where you put it, but this is all your fault. My fault! Don't blame it on me! I just can't help myself. Well, this is your house. Don't blame it on me either. Look, I don't know what's going on with me, so, you know, I'm just gonna stay out of it, man. What's going on with me? I want the goddamn pizza recipe, so if I can't find it, then I have nothing to cook. Well, dude, if you want to cook something, then just find something else to cook for a recipe. No, I got nothing, so I gotta go all the way to the supermarket to buy more things, you know, to cook other recipes. So I got nothing. Oh, so you got nothing to cook? All you got is a pizza recipe that you're trying to find it, and then you got no food? All you got is a pizza recipe that you cannot find, and now there's nothing to eat. We can't have any dinner or anything if you got no food or nothing. So, why don't you go to the supermarket right now to buy more other foods to cook the recipes? How about that? Well, so all I gotta do is find the pizza recipe that way I'm gonna cook. That's what I'm gonna do. So this is my house and my own things. So all I gotta do is find it somewhere, and I don't know where I put it. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Alright. I don't want to shout or scream like this because I'm about to get a heart attack. I'm an old man because I'm getting too old for this. Because the old president's got to do his job to find the pizza recipe. I got no energy. I need more energy. I need something to drink. I need water. Oh, darn thing. That son of a darn biscuit. Well, I'm gonna go to the supermarket right now to buy more food and to cook more recipe. Well, President George W. Bush is on his way to the supermarket to buy more foods so that he can cook lots of recipes as much as he can. Since he cannot find the pizza recipe, because I have no idea where he put it, because this is his house, so it's not my problem, that's his. Well, anyway, that's all gonna be for today, folks, and don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe, and say hello to Justin the Puppeteer. Alright, so, anyway, this is Rob Bernard, the Cool Boy, signing off. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time for more videos coming up. Okay? Alright, I'm getting out of here. Oh, another worst day ever because that president destroyed his house, he's destroyed his kitchen, and it's lots of mess around the kitchen and where he destroyed plates, and especially the stove is broken where he destroyed that too. Oh boy. Ugh. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Ugh. Alright. I'm getting out of here. Alright. Alright, shut off the camera, alright? I'm done with this, alright? Alright? Shut up, will ya?